Hey guys, today's look is the NAMF NF2. Looks very innocent, but each pin is either serrated or a spool, and each and every pin is tapered, so it requires a very gentle touch and a lot of patience. Can I get some focus? I'm using XBMOD custom pick. Check on each pin. If there's only a tiniest bit of springiness, skip it. Only go for the pins that feel rock solid. So there'll be a lot of very tiny clicks, not much feel of percussion. That's because of the tapered pins. Since the key pins are tapered and serrated as well, it's very easy to overset. And if you overset, you have to start over. Just keep cycling. Just click. Pin 4. Full set, this quick. Count rotation on pin 1. Be very careful not to drop anything. Set. Pin 3. Count rotation. Open. Wow. Didn't expect it to open so quick. I'll show you the pins. They're very cool. Key pins. I'll do it close up later. Spool and serrated. Here's another spool. And another serrated. Another spool. And another serrated. Springs. Steel springs, all the same. So as you can see, all the pins are tapered and serrated. If you get caught up in this serration, you best start over. There's no recovering from that. So yeah, that's the NAMF NF2. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye bye.